Unlock your medical vocabulary. Prefixes and suffixes in medicine and healthcare. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary, prefixes and suffixes in academic and professional contexts. Today, we're focusing on a very special topic: prefixes and suffixes in medicine and healthcare. This will be super useful, especially for those of you who are interested in medicine, nursing, healthcare, or just generally improving your English vocabulary. It might seem like a daunting task at first, but remember, understanding these word parts can greatly assist in deciphering complex medical terms. Let's get started. In English, many medical terms are constructed from a combination of prefixes, root words, and suffixes. The prefix in a word is at the beginning and generally describes location and intensity. For example, the prefix hyper means over or excessive, and hypo means under or below normal. Let's look at the word hypothermia. The prefix hypo means under, and thermia refers to temperature. So, hypothermia means a body temperature that is below normal. Another example is hyperactive. The prefix hyper means over, and active refers to activity. Therefore, hyperactive describes an over or excessive level of activity. Now, let's talk about suffixes. A suffix is the word part that is located at the end of a word. Suffixes in medical terms often indicate a procedure, condition, disease, or part of speech. For instance, in the word cardiologist, ologist is the suffix, which means one who studies. Cardio refers to the heart. So, a cardiologist is one who studies the heart, a heart specialist. Another example is diagnosis. The suffix cis usually refers to a state or condition. Diagnose is from the Greek word that means to know completely. Therefore, a diagnosis is the state of complete knowledge or identifying a disease. Sometimes, medical terms can have both a prefix and a suffix around a root word. Take hypertension as an example. Hyper is the prefix, tension is the root word, and there's no suffix in this case. The prefix hyper means over, and the root word tension is related to pressure, so hypertension refers to high blood pressure. Similarly, consider the term subcutaneous. Here, sub is the prefix, meaning under. Cutane is the root, referring to the skin, and -ous is the suffix, implying a characteristic of. Hence, subcutaneous means something that exists under the skin. And that wraps up our session on prefixes and suffixes in medicine and healthcare. Remember, having a good grasp of medical prefixes and suffixes can help you better understand complex healthcare terminologies. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find these medical terms becoming less intimidating and more fascinating. We hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more lessons on prefixes and suffixes in different technical disciplines. Until then, keep learning, and happy studying.